To set up fingerprint on the Redmi Note 14S, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to go into the settings, and from here you'll have to scroll down until you find the fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Let's go in there, and from here you will have to go for the fingerprint unlock, which is located just right here. Let's tap on this one, and from here you have to enter your current screen lock. In my case it is the pattern, and after that here's the screen protector tip, that the screen protectors might interfere with the screen fingerprint recognition. And yes, Xiaomi recommends to use our official Xiaomi film if you require the screen protection, and actually there is this original official Xiaomi screen protection that comes included with your phone. But like to add your fingerprint, here is this fingerprint sensor, and all you simply have to do is just tap your finger in this place of this fingerprint sensor, and as you tap on this one and the fingerprint sensor correctly scans your fingerprint, it will like vibrate a little bit, and here will be this little graphical this graphic like animation that it scanned a part of your finger. So all you simply have to do is just like put your finger on the fingerprint scanner, release, and put it on here again. And I actually recommend you to change the position of your fingerprint a little bit, of your finger on the fingerprint sensor, I mean, so like you're not scanning constantly the same spot of your finger, but like kind of put it a little bit next to this fingerprint sensor, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't know if I explained this clearly, but yeah, that's basically how you can add this fingerprint sensor. And as you just can see, the fingerprint sensor is pretty accurate and it went very quickly and with no problems. And now this fingerprint is added to the to our phone. So that's how we can do this.